This is not financial advice. I just hope you watch your oven mitts, baby, because it's about to get hot in the kitchen. Now hit that like button and show your boy some love. Hit that notification bell to stay tuned. Let's get straight to the point. Subscribe to the channel. And the first banger on the list, and just know, family, I jam-packed this one with bangers. So let's talk about it. The first banger on the list is Chargepoint, ticker symbol CHPT. And at the time of this recording, Chargepoint is currently $22 a share. Now, on the Discord, and major salute to the Discord family, baby. Let's get this money. On the Discord, we're going to buy a Chargepoint $20 call for our January, and we just doubled down on the Nio $85 call and the Nio $50 call, baby. Let's get this money. Discord family in the building. Now, what's going on with Chargepoint? Because you know, I just don't have it in my heart to leave you uninformed. But if you want to be up on the play as early as we are, hit that Discord link in the top comment, baby. We're going to welcome you with open arms. But what's going on with Chargepoint? A buying opportunity is on the horizon. Take a look at this. Shout out to Inside EVs for this article. And it said this, and it's about Tesla. But remember, Chargepoint has 65% of all of the charging play market share. So what I want you to think of with that is, okay, if Tesla is coming with this kind of heat, then what is that going to mean for Chargepoint as a company? So now look at this. It says, how much revenue will Tesla make from sharing superchargers? Now Tesla is trying to share superchargers, family. So it says Tesla could stand to make $25 billion per year with these superchargers and sharing supercharging technology. Tesla created its own proprietary fast charging network, which it has offered to share with other EV makers. Now, we know that Chargepoint has a huge market share, but you know what, family? When the people want to get a charge going on their car, what if they decide to go with this network rather than the Chargepoint network, family? So this could be a blow to Chargepoint, but in the short term, Chargepoint is a long-term banger. And what do we do when we get a blow short term? We knock it out the park. We get in low and we go straight to the promised land, baby. I'll see you there. But let's talk about it. I want you to see what the big dogs is doing, because you always got to know, what are the big dogs doing with their millions, if not billions of dollars? So let's take a look at what they're doing. Now, just one day ago, when Chargepoint was $26, there was a trade of about $3.1 million worth of Chargepoint. And you can imagine this was a sell, since the price has been coming down ever since. So now, just 2 days ago, there was basically a $2.9 million trade when it was 24, right? And notice it's lower than that. And then there was a $3.3 million trade when it was 23, right? So, okay, now you see that the big dogs have been selling it a bit. So then this gives us a chance to get in when it hits specific levels, which I'll talk about in a second. But what are the price targets on Chargepoint? Because remember, Chargepoint might come down short term, but long term, this is a beast. This is a banger. So now the price target is $29 on the low, and this is Wall Street giving these price targets. They said $38 on the median, which is basically 71% higher than it is right now. And then they said it's going to 46 on the high, family, which is basically the home run. And now analysts rated this, and 6 of them said it was a strong buy. Okay, so what are the key levels that I'm looking for if I see this? Basically, we're under one of the key levels right now. It was 23. So since we're under that, we broke under a support level, and we're looking to load up on this in the $20 range, just about the low $20 range. If you can establish a position basically in the 19 range or the 18 range, which might not happen, but if you can, that's an absolute beast, banger of an average to have on a beast like this. Now, the next banger on the list is none other than CCIV, Lucid Motors, family. And at the time of this recording, Lucid Motors is currently $24 a share, but let's talk about what's going on with them, baby, because if you own any shares, you're going to see something new in your account. Take a look at this. So Lucid Motors tweeted this, and they said, we're delighted to announce that Churchill Capital shareholders have voted overwhelmingly to approve the business combination with Lucid Motors, CCIV, LCID. So what does this mean? This means when you open your brokerage account, perhaps on Monday in the morning in the pre-market or in the aftermarket, you're going to see the ticker symbol change. You don't have to do anything. The ticker symbol is going to change from CCIV to LCID. Now, what comes with this? A lot of volatility potentially, and this could go either way. It could be flat, but this could also, like in the past, lead to a run-up or a sell-off, family. But either way, shout out to the Discord family. We know how to make money on the way up and on the way down, baby. So I want you to see what could send this one flying in the future in 2021. Take a look at this. They posted this on the SEC, who is basically the federal government's website, and it says this: the volume that they expect and forecast to sell in terms of their EVs is still 577 vehicles, Lucid Air models, basically this year. They expect to sell 577 vehicles in the year of 2021. If they can do that, this is a huge sign for the company. Another huge time for the company is if they could do this. Basically, notice that if you look at the longest range EVs for 2021, number 1 is crossed off. This is Tesla's Plaid Model S, right? Now, it's crossed off, so this doesn't even count anymore. So, we got Lucid Air Grand Touring, which can get us 517 miles on a single charge, allegedly, right? We want to see this happen. Now, if we see this actually happen, and they come out of the gate, basically, with their first deliveries, and they got the best battery in the game, then this is going to be a game changer for the company, family. Now, look at the next one. Number 2 on the list is the Lucid Dream Edition, which is 503 miles. And then, all the way down on number 3 is the Cybertruck, which is going to come out late 2021, which still will not have the same amount of distance, allegedly, as these other 2 models of the Lucid Air and the Lucid Grand Touring. So now, that's actually huge for the company. So if we see something like that, boom, we know it's a banger. So what are the big dogs doing? When this thing was $24 a share, family, my allergies messing up, my bad. So, excuse me. So now, take a look. You know, we keep it real, we keep it raw all day. So take a look at this. When it was $24.15, $2.3 million buy it or purchase or trade. Then we got $24 million, basically another day. And then $1.8 million, boom, another trade like that, just straight up like that. Now, what is the price targets on this, family? I want you to take a look at this. They're saying that this could go basically to $43. This is the only price target I've seen on Investor or Wallet Investor is called. Now, $43. They're thinking they can go there in a year from now. But remember, if they can get those deliveries off, those 577 deliveries, and they can prove that their battery can get you 500 miles on a single charge, then boom, this thing is going straight to the promised land, baby. I'll see you there. But now, what are key levels that I like to see this one at? The first one is about $22. And then the next support level is just about $20. And then all the way on the bottom, best position you could probably get if this company falls back a little bit and pulls back some, is about $17 a share. But let's get it and let's talk about it. The next banger on the list is the one, the only AMC Entertainment, ticker symbol AMC. And at the time of this recording, AMC is currently $36 a share. It's down 0.67 on the day. It's down 0.4 in the after hours. Now, let's talk about what's going on with AMC. Shout out to all of my AMC apes, baby. Now, your boy, Peter Hahn, he actually just recently came out with a statement, and he said this. This is the same person that is the CFA on the stock market. Basically, he walked back statements. He came back and said it again. But no disrespect, let's just get to what he said, because he highlighted a few key points here. The first key point is all the way down here in pink, and I want you to see it. And it starts here, and it says, and seriously, you can't be but helped to be encouraged by the straight talk on page 4 of the document. And it says this. And what document is he talking about? There was a document recently that was passed by regulators, and it's basically called the NSCC 2021-010. And what does it do? It's basically what they're working on is a solution, they're calling it. They're working on a solution to get rid of something that we've been talking about for a long time. Now, here we go. And it says this, and this is in quotes. It said the NSCC, now this is the second paragraph to the bottom if you're trying to follow me. The NSCC understands that the SFTs provide liquidity to markets and facilitates the ability of market participants to make delivery on short sales and thereby avoid failure to delivers in naked shorts and similar situations. Why is this important, family? Because basically this is the first time that regulators are really trying to find a solution and using the word naked shorts and basically synthetic shares in this kind of a document. That's actually huge for the movement. And shout out to my guy on Twitter who kind of broke this down as to what this means. Now, he said this, the SFTs are the security financing transactions, and what they're trying to do is let the hedge fund use these to get cash after they deposit their long-term stocks like Apple, Amazon, everything like that into these SFTs, they're calling it, and then they could use the cash that they get to slowly cover over on just the regular market with us, and then get what everybody is calling a controlled squeeze. Now, this is not confirmed. Everybody's telling you everything is confirmed, blah, blah, blah. Remember, when they telling you all of this stuff, you got to think, are they showing the receipts on the side of the screen? Are they doing this and that and just proving it to you? Or are they just saying, trust me, bro, right? You got to think, who are your sources? What's going on with that? But if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in index funds. Family, I see you over on Discord. I love y'all. Take care.